Easy crypto income. Crypto tutorials.
Hi all, welcome back. Today we're taking a look on Tronlink wallet, which is a Tron ecosystem wallet, and it's the one used to interact with various Tron platforms and Tron smart contracts. This is once again a Google Chrome extension like MetaMask. The setup and the installation is pretty much similar to MetaMask, and this is going to be a very short guide for you to check it out. If you want a Tron wallet, a TRX wallet that also supports other Tron compatible tokens, the best one is Tronlink. There is one or two more. I think one of them is called Clever Wallet, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm not sure. This is the one that a lot of people use. This is the one I use. It's perfectly fine. It gets the job done. It's as easy as MetaMask wallet that I showed you the previous time. And what you do is basically, again, like MetaMask, is just a Google Chrome extension. I will leave the link below, so don't worry about it, or you can just search for Tronlink and you will see also these Chinese characters here. Just search for Tronlink on the Google Chrome Web Store, and then once you find it, just click Add to Chrome, add extension here, checking, and until the installation is complete. We don't really care about this. Now, what happens with Google Chrome, that most of the icons and a lot of the extensions will not be available right away. They will not be pinned here on this bar. So what you do is you just click on this puzzle piece, you check the extensions, and you check the extension that you want, and you just click on this small pin, where it says pin extension, and that's it. And it will pin the icon, so you don't have to do this every time. You'll have the icons here. So we go to Tronlink, we press to open, we click once to open. Once again, like MetaMask, we need to set a new password, and it will also give us the backup phrases and the backup seed words. So let's set a password. Just set a good password, a strong password. Obviously I don't care because I'll never use it. I'm just showing it to you, so this is just an example. Click here, got it, doesn't really matter. Click continue. And since we are a new user, we will have to create our wallet. In case you already had a wallet before and you just want to restore your wallet, you would press here on restore. And this is for the users that already have Tron accounts. But anyway, and this is for the hardware wallets, specifically for Ledger wallets, and for users who have Ledger wallet to connect to the Tronlink. But anyway, we're a new user, we want a new wallet, so we'll just click here on create. We set a new account 1, doesn't really matter. Click continue. This is the mnemonic, the seed words that we will be using to restore our wallet, and this will be our backup basically. So as I said, like the previous time with MetaMask, please keep all these safe somewhere that you can have access to them. Okay, click continue. Observe surprise, loud rate fitness. Travel extend, govern depend castle distance, click confirm, and that's about it, and that's it. And now we have a new wallet. This is your wallet address where you can send your Tron or your other Tron compatible tokens. And here is your balance. This is the various coins that you can have. Please bear in mind, BTC and Ethereum is Tron compatible. It's not the normal Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is specific versions that are compatible to Tron. So please bear that in mind. Do not send normal BTC or Ethereum here, I don't believe it will be accepted by the wallet, and you'll probably lose them. Anyway, so if you want to receive and if you want to make a deposit to this wallet, you just press here on receive and just press here copy account, or you can copy it like this, but the most easy thing is just to press once here copy, and if you want to make sure that it has been copied, just press one more time and it says copied, or you can obviously scan the QR code anyway, and then just insert the wallet address, and you will send the amount of Tron that you want, or any other Tron compatible tokens that you have. If you want to send, on the other hand, you just go here to send. You paste here the Tron address that you want to send to. Here you just choose the token. Usually it's just going to be TRX, but maybe you might want to send USDT. That's a Tron compatible, not the ERC variant, it's the Tron variant. Or maybe you want to send, I don't know, BitTorrent or Win or what have you. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. The amount that you want to transfer to, and then just click send, and that's about it. If you go here to each of the tokens, you can see like a history of transactions. So if I click on TRX, this is the usual Tron, I can see here all the transactions, just the transactions I have received or the transactions that I have sent to. So once again, if I click receive, it will show me the main Tron address where I can receive my Tron here on this Tron wallet. So I just press copy account if I want. Send is this menu, the one I showed you before. And then we have some more menus here. The one is a swap. This is the one to use if you want to swap TRX to any of the other tokens. So for example, if we had any TRX, for example, let's say 100 TRX, we would be able to swap it for, as you see, you click here, select the token that you want to swap to, and then we could, I don't know, choose Sun, BTC, W, Wrapped BTC, Ethereum, Wrapped BitTorrent, Wrapped Torex, Just, Win, and the rest of the tokens that there are here available. Just swap them very easily and very, very fast, and that's about it. And you also have another option as well. This is the dApp chain. This is the token transfer to dApp chain, and this is to transfer to dApp chain basically. I don't think you will ever use this, to be quite honest. And so this is how easy it is to set up your Tronlink, and this is how easy it is to use it, basically to either receive or to send according to how you want to use it. And like in MetaMask, you can also have various different accounts here. The only thing that you can do is just click here, just click create. So this is my first account. Let's create a second account. You can have many different accounts. Just click on create. Account name, let's say account 2. Continue. Again, we get different words this time, so we just copy paste so we can have them. And again, it's going to ask us for the words. So then we have coach, rapid, business, adult, miss, liquid, height, dentist girl, dentist girl, and arrange spend text, and then click confirm, and there you have it. This is the second account. The only thing that you need to do to change between the two is just click here. This is the second account with obviously the different wallet address here. Again, the same interface, exactly the same interface, nothing changes. If you want to change back to the first account or to any other account, you just click here on the account name, you get this menu, and you just click again here on the account 1. If I want to go back to account 2, click here, account 2, that's it. You will see that this changes according to the wallet address that we put, because this is automatically connected to the wallets here and to the wallet here and to the various accounts that you have, so it changes accordingly and automatically. And this is how easy it is to use Tronlink and how easy it is to set it up. So thank you very much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel to get notified for even more tutorials. Until next time, take care and be safe.